Hello, today I'm going to be talking about amino acids and their bonds using peptide bonds. So we've got three amino acids up here. I've got alanine, glycine, and serine, along with their respective structure. So as you can see in all of them, there is a lot of similarity. There's going to be this alpha carbon in the center that's attached to a hydrogen. We also have this carboxyl group in yellow up top, and this amine group in purple, which is the nitrogen and two hydrogens. And all amino acids are going to have this same basic structure, and what varies is the R group at the bottom here. So these R groups are going to change depending on the amino acid it is, and it's going to determine how each amino acid interacts with other amino acids and with its environment. So then down here, I have this whole bond showing how these three would look if they were combined in one string of amino acids. So I have the same structure with the R group on the bottom here, and then I have this amine group, and the amine groups kind of get jumbled around the farther you go, but it's essentially showing the same things just combined. So I've got the peptide bonds here showing that they're connected to this carbon and the nitrogen of the next group. I've also got the phi bonds, and those are occurring before the alpha carbon. So from this nitrogen to the alpha carbon here and here as well. I've also got the psi bonds, and those are this bolded bond here, and those are occurring after the alpha carbon. So from alpha carbon to the next carbon, here and here, and here and here. And so this is just one way that this could look, and it's depicting a 3D model on paper, which is obviously not going to be 100% accurate, but this can look very different. So as you can see, this H and the carboxyl group are kind of flipped around based on what I had in here, but it's essentially showing the same connection. Also, when this occurs, there is water being formed. So this double bond is being formed, oxygen is being released, two hydrogens are being released, and then water is going to be a byproduct. And like I said, this can occur in many different ways, but it can either be cis or trans. So in a cis conformation is going to be extremely high energy and very rare in nature, and trans is going to be significantly more stable, and it's going to be the vast majority of what is seen in nature. So yeah, thank you for watching.